Have you ever struggled with your plants dying as soon as you put them outside in your garden? This might be why. Hi guys, welcome back to Growing 101. Today we're going to be talking about hardening off your plants and how to do it. So 10 days before you want to transplant these outside, you're going to want to put them outdoors in bright but indirect light. So we're going to leave these here and we're going to leave them for just about an hour or two. It's important to note that when you're first hardening off your plants, you still want to protect them from strong winds, and you also definitely have to keep an eye on moisture because they dry out a lot faster outside. You want to think of this like building up their tolerance over time. So every day that you harden them off, keep adding more and more hours and start exposing them to more direct lighting and harsher winds and more fluctuating temperatures. In the last few days before transplanting, you can actually leave them outdoors overnight. But it's smart to avoid this if you have frost or extreme weather conditions, so only do this if the weather permits. So seedlings that are started indoors are raised in very comfortable environments with a lot of controlled conditions. This means there's no high winds, it's filtered lights, and the temperatures are super consistent. So if you were to move them outdoors directly, they could get shocked very easily. And so the process of gradually adjusting them to those outdoor conditions is called hardening them off. So the process of gradually adjusting these guys to outdoor conditions is called hardening them off. So the timeline for hardening off plants is to set your expectations early. You cannot plan this the day before you want them to be transplanted outside. You should have an idea for 2 to 3 weeks before the time you want to get them outside. So the timeline for hardening off your plants, you want to set your expectations early. This is not something you do the day before planting. So you want to start prepping your plants 2 to 3 weeks before you want to transplant them outside. That way they have enough time to avoid any stress. And the key word here is gradual. You do not want to rush this process. That way you can avoid as much damage to your plants as possible. So 1 week before you even start hardening off your plants, you want to start preparing the plants. This means using a little bit less water, stop fertilizing, and controlling cooler temperatures if that's possible. This will help your plants toughen up a little bit before you start hardening off. So after about 7 to 10 days of hardening off, your plants should be ready to go straight into the garden. Taking the time to properly harden off your plants can really benefit how well they establish in your garden. Thank you so much for watching today's Growing 101 episode. If you have any more hardening off tips, drop them in the comments below. Make sure you like and subscribe to True Leaf Market. Thanks guys.